Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yes, I'm welcoming everybody back to my YouTube channel. New subscribers, old subscribers. My name is Chamaka and welcome once again to my YouTube channel. Yep, I'm really sorry I've been distant. Like yo, I ghosted you guys. Like damn, that's so toxic. And now nobody is settling for less. So I'm not here to give you guys the bare minimum. So I'm really sorry for being toxic, for just ghosting you guys like that. Please, I have reasons for that, and after the mini introduction I'll go right into it. Okay, welcome back guys. But before I go into the main reasons why I've been inactive, I want to use this opportunity to thank all of you watching this video. Thank you so much for 200 subscribers. Thank you so much for being patient with me. Thank you so much for still loving me. I'm literally surprised. I was like, wait, when did we reach 200? And now I think we're like 207 or so, or 6, I'm not sure. So thank you so much for supporting me. I'm surprised you guys are making me feel like, yeah, at least I can get like 1,000 subscribers by the end of this year. I mean, we got all things are possible in it. But really, thank you guys so much for 200. I mean, we're aiming higher and higher. I want to use this opportunity to thank my friends for supporting me, for standing by my side, for literally saying, okay, Chimaka, you need to get this video out, otherwise we're going to unsubscribe. Please don't unsubscribe. Oh, yay. Don't unsubscribe, because there's no me without you guys. There's no Chamaka's channel if without you guys. So thank you so much. And I want to use this opportunity to also thank my friends for helping me out, because my video editor, like, it crashed in the last minute. I already made a video, I was ready to upload, only for me to see that my video editor is misbehaving. So I had to call my friends to help me. And I want to give a special like shout out to Zeno's Concept. So the first reason why I've been inactive is because I realized I wanted to change my niche. If you look at my previous videos, they've mainly been about Mauritius, and it's not like I'm tired of talking about Mauritius, but I feel like that's not what I would want my channel to be mainly about. I want you guys to see me. I want to be able to come here one day and be like, okay guys, I need to get this thing off my chest. I want to talk about something, just like have conversations with me and you. I mean, I know I won't literally hear what you guys are saying, but in the comment section and stuff like that, I just want to be able to come out and my opinion on things and all of that. Obviously, if I have any important information about Mauritius that I know that would definitely be useful to most people, I'll come out here and I'll put it. But I just don't want you guys to expect me every time I post a video for it to be about Mauritius. So I just want to make it clear right now. So when I was thinking about it, I was scared I already gave you guys the wrong impression. So I was like, I feel like a lot of people are following me because of the content I put about Mauritius. And then I'm like, so if I now come out one day and just change my niche, are you guys going to still support me? Are you guys still going to like my videos, like enjoy my videos, basically? Because there are other things that are piquing my interest, and I don't want it to catch you guys by surprise. One day I'll just post a video and be like, why is she posting this? Is unrelated to what our channel is for. So that's I don't want that misunderstanding, please, I beg you. So this is also me using this medium to tell you guys that the next video I'm posting is most likely not going to be about Mauritius, okay? And I would just hope you guys understand and still love me for who I am and all of that, and for the vibe I bring, because I'm a vibe. Why I've been inactive on YouTube is because of my school. School is my priority. Although, I mean, I feel like there was a way I could have done it that I'd still have time for school and YouTube. But I was trying my best to focus so much on my exams, and I'm done with it right now. So I was like, okay, Chimaka, I think it's time for you to come back to YouTube. And I've sat down and I've thought of ways, and I'm still thinking of ways to juggle school and YouTube together when my school resumes, because I'm currently on holiday. So like, I don't want it to be like anytime there's school I'm just going to ghost you guys. That's a toxic relationship, and I don't want you guys to settle for bare minimum. I'm not toxic. No, I'm not. So, guys, okay, jokes apart now, jokes aside, I'm really sorry. I'm coming up with ways to juggle school and YouTube together, because please understand that school is the cocoa of the aurora. But literally, let's talk about this thing for a little bit. But I just feel like, I'm like, God, is this love path for me? Because the things my eyes have seen. Okay, no, I can't speak here, but don't worry about it. But I mean, school is hard, though. Then the final reason why I've been inactive, guys, this one is on me. I've been procrastinating. Like literally, I'm like, Jamaica, we're supposed to make a video today. Like the vibe is not there, the motivation is not there. I'm like, I just keep postponing and postponing and postponing. And it's a personal issue that I have. I'm working on it, okay? And I just want to also put this out there. Motivation will not get you. So motivation will not do it alone. Only motivation cannot do it. Like let me use myself for instance. I'm on Instagram or TikTok. I see a motivational quote or a motivational video. So I watch it. As I'm watching it, I'm gingered. I'm gingered, Let me tell you, the moment I swipe up, swipe left, down, right, away from that video, that's the end. It's gone. So, and I think it took me a lot of time to realize that being motivated won't just get you there alone. You have to have other qualities. You have to discipline yourself. You have to be committed and all of that. So I'm willing to commit to you guys. I feel like I see you guys like I'm in a relationship with you guys. So it's my duty. Yeah, I have to be committed to you guys, and being committed comes with a lot of things, and I'm ready, I'm willing, I'm going to try my best. Okay, I don't want to make this video so long, but those are mainly the reasons why I've been inactive. Firstly, because I wanted to change my niche and I didn't know how you guys were going to take it. Second, because of school and exams. Then the third one, because I've not really been motivated, and I've also been procrastinating. Because you guys, life is not easy. Life has been coming at me, buzzwords, from left, right, center, and I'm like, but you see, right now, I'm ready to, guys. I'm actually serious. Let me tell you what happened today before I end this video. Just like a little bit of my day. I just got back from the vaccination center. I went for my booster dose. You know why? I was like, I already took two COVID doses. At my school was like, booster dose. I was like, I think they said booster dose last year or something like that. It came out late last year or early this year. I can't remember. And then I was like, booster dose. I'm not taking, I'm scared. I don't want to take it. Only for me to, and they already put it in the email that if you don't take it, you won't be allowed on school's premises. So me now, being the Nigerian that I am, being stubborn, I was like, I had to do something in school. So I went there, and the security man was like, when is it? I was like, I'm vaccinated. He was like, are you fully vaccinated? I said yes. I considered 2 doses. He said, no, you don't have the booster dose. And that's why they did not allow me to enter school. So that's that day. I said, please, if I want to do something, I don't want to be deprived. Let me just go and take this booster dose and forget about it once I'm poor. I'll put a video, just like a short video that I took. It was painful. Me, I don't like injections. I don't know if you guys can see the place they grabbed me, but it's like somewhere here. But it's painful, so I don't know. If you want to take your booster dose, take it. If you don't want to, I don't know, it's up to you. But I don't want it to be that when school resumes, they don't allow me to enter school. Excuse me, for what reason? What reason? Tell me why. Anyways, I just wanted to share that part of my day with you guys. So thank you so much for watching this part, and please be expecting my video. I still upload my videos every 2 weeks, guys. That's my consistency pattern. Okay, most YouTubers say new videos every week. Some say 2 times in a week. Please, I beg you, please just manage it. My own is 2 times. Yes, 2 times in a month, basically, like every 2 weeks, basically. Does not bring months, every 2 weeks, until I get to that stage. I feel like, okay, I think we can make it better every week, weekly videos. But before I change into weekly videos, I'm definitely going to update you guys. Okay, so thank you for watching this video to this part. I love you so much, and please, if you are not following me on Instagram and on TikTok, we fight. I'll fight you.